In this question, we have two parallel lines. Let us name them as L and M, and we have a triangle here. Let us name it as A, B and C. This angle is given to us as 30 degree, and also it is given that AC equals BC in this triangle ABC. So what we need to find is the measure of angle X. Let us begin solving this question. Since we know that AC and BC are equal in length, then this angle will be equal to this angle. Let us name it as Y, then this will also be angle Y. We don't know the measure. Now if we see that these two lines L and M are parallel to each other, so this angle will also be equal to Y, because you see this angle and this angle, they both are equal because they are alternate interior angles. So we see that measure of these three angles are equal. Now first of all we need to find the value of Y. So what will be Y? If we see this straight line, here we have one angle as 30 degree, second angle as Y and third angle as Y. So if we add all of them, this is 180 degree. So we will get equals 180 degree. So from here we get 2Y equals 180 minus 30, that is 150 degree. If we see this triangle ABC, angle X is an exterior angle. So angle X is equal to sum of these two interior angles Y and Y. So Y plus Y will give me 2Y, and we already have found the value of 2Y as 150 degree. So the value of angle X will be 150 degrees.